Hello, welcome to our show Technology Buzz. Today I will show you how to uh, practice data entry. So if you want to become data entry, you can practice from this website. Here are lists of all data entry tasks. Like, now go to the practicetest.com. TICTEST. I will give link in the description below. Please go to blog and there you will find this link. Here, here are others also. You can do paragraph typing test, typing practice, and here is data entry typing. So here are critical practice, license number practice, zip nom. Okay, I will practice street addresses. I'll show you once how to do it. Now this is the address practice, and after finishing, here you'll see accuracy, your typing accuracy, how accurate you have typed, and word per minute also at the last. So here you can change test, and next task will be given here. So test here order, you will get very new task here, so you'll never get bored. Now order practice is, let's do vowel practice once. This website is very good to start data entry work. Okay, for this you need to click start test, and here are data entry. Okay, I will copy as same as. Here it is mistake, so it is shown highlighted here. The tone which, how is this mistake? Okay, I will write. You can, here is 97% accuracy, and how many keystrokes per hour. Then now next record I will click, and again start typing. Now you can end test here, and your final accuracy is 60%. Now here in this way you can type basic data entry, street address, license number, alphabetic sentence, and many more. So practice data entry and become data entry expert. Thank you.